my name is Ritika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a very highly requested video, requested on my Instagram of course. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram, do it right now. The link will be in the description. I'll also put the name right here. So today I'm up with my silver jewelry collection. I have a lot of silver jewelry. I'm one of those people who love to hoard silver jewelry, and I got this from my sister. She has a really amazing collection of silver jewelry and she collects it, she keeps it, she takes care of it, so it's all from her. But I've also managed to put up come up with a small collection of my own, so I'll be sharing that with you. So as you can see, this is like maybe like 80% of my jewelry here. The rest of it is golden jewelry, dainty jewelry. So I'll be sharing that in a separate video if you want, so comment down below for that. So this is like my complete silver jewelry collection. Consists of bangles, neck pieces, rings, earrings primarily. So let's begin. So right at the top in this particular container, I have these silver jewelries which are like dainty to small. They're not really big, they're not the big statement ones, but of course they do pack a punch on their own. So now, for example, for procuring these silver jewelries, I for one always mainly trust the local markets in your area. Go to the local markets, card the local markets, look at what they have. You have to be extremely thorough to search for it, and I'm sure you're going to get some beautiful pieces and some great deals, because as we all know, local markets have the most inexpensive and the best prices. So for example, in this I'll show you a few of my favorites. So one of them would definitely be this pair. This pair is, I feel it's gorgeous. I'll insert pictures that I've styled these pieces as well, and you can see that they're extremely versatile. What I love about silver jewelry is that you can style it with Indian clothes like I am wearing today, but at the same time, if you've got like a basic tee and a pair of denims, and if you just like put on a statement pair of earrings and then a chappal, you're like good to go. You don't have to do anything else. So this is one of my favorite pairs, like I mentioned. Some other favorite pairs. Okay, so another place from where I love getting my silver jewelry is Instagram stores. So there are a lot of Instagram stores that I always go to. I'll put the name of a few below in the description box, of course. But a few of my favorite would be the Envy House. It would be Alankrita. A few others would be like Ceremony Blings and Retro Chic. So whichever city you stay in, I'm sure there are going to be a lot of these Instagram stores based out of your city. So keep a lookout for them, and also there are going to be of course others who ship all over India. So I'll link a few of them in the description box below. Check them out. So for example, this pair, it's not from an Instagram store, but it's from Studio Voila. Studio Voila is another place where I love to get these unique pair of silver earrings. Okay, so for example, this pair is from Studio Voila. So it's basically like, it's like a top, like a stud, and then you've got like a thing that stretches to the back. So you can wear it with western, eastern clothes, with any. Always make sure to keep a few of these colorful pieces in your silver jewelry collection as well, so that you can pair them up with different colors, different outfits. Doesn't make like, if suppose you've got like a monochrome outfit going and you're wearing silver jewelry with that, so if you put like a dash of color like this to your jewelry, it just makes the outfit pop. So yeah, these are like all my dainty and small earrings. This is again from Studio Voila. They have some really unique designs and really amazing collection. Look out for the sales. Otherwise, I feel like it's a little bit on the expensive side, but if you look out for the sales, I'm sure you'll get like a huge discount and really great deals. This one would have like the moderately large earrings, you could say, or like the statement pieces which I own. I love, like, I'm one who either likes to wear extremely statement pieces of clothing with very minimal jewelry, or I like to wear like extremely monochrome and simple outfits but very statement jewelry or accessories. Like right now I'm wearing a very simple pink kurti, but I've just paired it with these huge statement earrings. They are gorgeous first of all, and so then it just makes the outfit come to life. So over here I've got like a few, I have a thing for Afghani jewelry. So I have these, these studs, for example. This is from Bombay. I got this from Bombay, from Colaba. Yeah, I got this from Colaba. Then I love earrings, which have like small mirror work done on them. I feel like it, it brings a sort of light to your outfit. So for example, these earrings, you know, it's got like glass work done over here. So if you wear this, it automatically like makes your face shine. I always feel that that's the case. Apart from that, of course, I have like huge earrings. Like you can see, I have a thing for huge earrings. So another one of those would be these ones, for example. So yeah, they're pretty huge, I agree, but trust me, if you like find the right weight, like I'm wearing this for a long time now, but I can assure you that it's not weighing down my ears. I'm not feeling any sort of discomfort. So you know, search for earrings that are of course not like absolutely light so that the quality is very bad, but you know, it's like of a moderate weight so that you can wear it for prolonged periods of time. It's no point if you buy silver jewelry and then you're just wearing it for like an hour or something. You would want it to, you know, stay with you the entire day or the entire time that you're wearing the outfit. So pieces like this, of course, they light up any outfit. Another thing that I learned from my sister about silver jewelry is like taking really good care of your jewelry, of course. So you know, you can buy these organization boxes. I bought these from Amazon actually. They had like a huge discount going on. They always have discounts, so you can always search for them. I'll leave the link in the description box below. It comes in like a set of 3. So you get like the largest one of this size, then followed by something of this size, and then you get this size. So you know, it comes in handy to store the different sizes earrings that you have. So in this box, for example, I have like the really huge earrings. So if you've seen my Instagram page, check out my Instagram page again. Yeah, so you'll see me wearing this pair a lot. It's one of my favorites. I think this is like gorgeous. It's beautiful. I feel like it's beautiful. So you'll find me wearing this a lot. I love pairing this with like both Indian and Western outfits, and I think it complements any outfit, to be honest. Yeah, so another thing is like if you're wearing like big pieces, big earrings like I'm wearing here, and like if I wore this, make sure to have your hair pulled back, like not completely tied up if you don't like it that way, but at least pinned back so that you know your face is free, so that the earrings get their space, because otherwise it looks like too much going on. It feels like there's too much going on your face, too much going on with your outfit. So just make sure your hair is pulled back, sleek look. So yeah, that always helps. So yeah, this one has like all the huge earrings, like I said. Another favorite pair of mine is this. This I also got from a local store, of course. I love looking at the local stores. They have the best, like I said. Okay, so when it comes to silver jewelry, how can I forget about like the actual silver jewelry? So we have this shop in Kolkata, which is called Chambalama, and I am a huge fan of that shop. Okay, you get some of the best silver pieces there. Of course, it's going to be a little more expensive than, you know, your oxidized jewelry, but I'm assuring you it's worth it. It's like a one-time investment. It won't go bad, and it looks beautiful. I have a lot of those silver pieces as well, which I like to wear here and there always. Actually, when I don't wear these earrings, I wear like a small stud, silver stud, which is with a stone. I think it looks very nice. It's great for daily wear. I always keep wearing it. Water doesn't ruin. So now we're not completely done with the earrings, but you know, of course, I have a lot more earrings here as well. I'll give you close-ups of all these boxes. You needn't worry about that. So, you know, I've got a lot of other pieces in here as well, but they're like primarily the same statement pieces from Instagram stores or maybe from, you know, local markets. These are my 2 preferred places. Now, sometimes I do shop for silver jewelry off of Ajio or Myntra, but mainly I find that I could find these designs for much affordable prices on these Instagram stores, or else I don't really like the designs there. Yeah, like I said, they're mainly overpriced or not that unique, and I like my jewelry or my accessories to be extremely unique. So yeah, done with the earrings part of it. Now let's move on to the neck pieces part of it. I'm a huge sucker for neck pieces. So I love the look where, you know, you're not wearing anything in your ears or just like tiny studs in your ears, and you've worn like an elaborate neck piece on your neck, and that like completely brings or ties the look together. So some of my favorite neck pieces. Yeah. So I believe you should always have like a choker like this. For example, if you're just like, ignore the earrings. Don't wear like big earrings if you're going to layer your neck pieces. Again, I love layering silver neck pieces. So suppose I have like a choker of this sort. Just see, it looks so beautiful. I feel like it completes the look absolutely. It doesn't make your neck feel empty as well. Apart from that, I have like these huge neck pieces as well. Like this is like something in itself. No need to layer, no need for any earrings. It's like you've worn like a white ganji, this, jeans, and you're done. You don't need anything else to complete the look. Another one of my absolute favorites, which I have paired with like everything. I've worn it with the denim skirt, I've worn it with a sari, I've worn it with salwar, I've worn it with everything actually. This one, it's like every time I see it, it just takes my breath away. I think it's beautiful. Yeah, this is like a long one. So this is mainly like when you want to keep your look a little subtle, a little low profile. Nothing like you want to, you're just going out like for the day with your friends, maybe for shopping. So you just wear like a simple tee, or you're wearing like a plain single color kurta. You just throw this on and then you're good to go. It's like normal, but of course it's gorgeous. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous, of course. These neck pieces are really good for layering. So suppose you've like worn this, and then you're going to wear like a choker with this. Yeah, and suppose you wear this choker with this. How beautiful does that look? It looks amazing. So yeah, I always think you should have like silver neck pieces of different sizes, different lengths, and of different designs also, different colors maybe, because like I said, silver can sometimes make your outfit a little monotonous as well. So throwing in like a small dash of color to brighten up your outfit, that's always a good idea. So yeah, I think I've blabbered on for a really long time. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like my silver jewelry collection. To see how I style all of these, do visit my Instagram page. I'll leave the link in the description box below. I'll also put it here somewhere on the screen. So I'll see you next time for another video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.